Even if I'm not physically with my parents, I can still look out for them with these. Here's what you'll need to do to set up the Care Hub with Alexa. Before we start, there are a few things the people upstairs wanted me to share. 1. The Care Hub is a one-to-one relationship between you and the person you're looking out for. Sorry, Uncle Joe, there cannot be multiple care providers. 2. The person receiving support will need to initiate the invitation setup link to establish a connection between their account and yours. 3. The Care Hub connection requires 2 separate Amazon accounts in order to work, one for you and one for your loved one. Make sure they've got their own Amazon account login information handy. Okay, you ready, Mom?
They know all that. Get to it already.
Okay. Open the link I shared and select Get Started. This will initiate a quick overview of the Care Hub features.
Too easy.
Sign in with your Amazon account and select your name from the list. This should be the account your Alexa-enabled devices are registered to. If your name isn't there, create a new profile by selecting I'm someone else.
Yeah.
Sorry, am I going too fast?
Nah, I'm just messing. This is easy.
Take a look at what the Care Hub offers. If you're good to proceed with using the Care Hub, select Next.
Thank you, next.
Next, fill in the invitation form. You'll need to enter my name and email address and select Send. You should see an invitation sent confirmation. Select Continue.
You've got mail.
Ha! Nice one. Time to set up Alexa communications. If it's not already enabled, you'll be asked to set up emergency contact calling and drop-in. If you see Set up Alexa communications, enter your mobile phone number, followed by a one-time passcode that will be sent to that number.
On it.
Nice. Okay, this next one's on me.
Honey, sweetie, do you need my help?
No thanks.
Okay. You got it?
The last step is accepting the invitation from your loved one. I just open an email from Amazon with the subject Care Hub with Alexa to accept the invitation. And we're done. Set up the Care Hub in the Alexa app so you too can start looking out with tools like the activity feed, customized alerts, drop-ins, and emergency contact notifications.
Ooh, I got an email from me.
We did it!
My little baby's grown up. So tall.